Hey guys, whenever you are building a rack system and at that point if you want to find that how your vector store is retrieved chunks, so that times two matrices are important. One is the context precision and another one is the context recall. So you should know like when to give the importance for this specific one. So actually precision will help you for you take a relevant examples like out of top key results your system give you how many of them are actually relevant or useful. So in the precision actually you are sorting the top k values and based upon that you will select the most important value there and whatever results are given in the top k, so those should be the right ones. So precision will give importance there, and in the context recall or recall k will give you like means it will recall will try to give you all relevant documents. So in the precision sometimes it will miss some documents, but whatever documents are given in that chunks or output, those should be right one. But in the recall what happens, it will give you more documents, but sometimes those documents are irrelevant also, but it will try to take all the documents. So I hope you will going to get it. So here is the summary of that table. Like recall will tell you did I find the most important step, 3 out of 4 useful loops, and this is the recall, and precision is at most of the results I see actually is full, so 3 out of 5 books. So I hope you will understand that recall is like not missing important information, precision is about not showing irrelevant stuff. So still if you are confused, like in the precision if you set like top key retrieve value like 10, so suppose in that 10 if first 5 or 7 are the means 7 chunks are related to the specific user query, then yeah it's a good precision, but still 3 documents are not relevant, right? So here actually it's hampering the accuracy of precision. But what if that in that top 10k it's missing the other relevant documents also, so that time recall plays important part here. So recall tried to take others all over important documents. So I hope you are understand. And recall out of all the truly important or relevant information available, how much of it did your system actually bring back to top key results?